Won't you come downstairs and have a seat? Won't you tell me something I can eat? Rain is pouring and it's cold inside of you. And is it so wrong to dream like I was 23? Like nervous birds we flock around the heart. Weightlessness we float off in the dark. You are soaring, but it's sore inside of me. And is it so wrong to dream like I was 17? And I wanna be wrong, and I wanna be someone you know. You could come along and say the words you remember, the words you regret. Oh, I just wanna be someone you never met before. So come back home, I'll leave a light on for you and me, and I'll sing you a story about the sun. And if you wonder if I dream, my shattered teeth are all you need. I believe that there's a story in everyone. The smell of grapefruit in your hair, the sound of memories in the air. You can tell me all your secrets now, and I will keep all of your worries in the place where there's no hurries. And our love is light like a butterfly. This old cage, soon these wrinkles all will fade, and now the greatest place is flattering, okay. With you, my symbols always stay. On the bench in your backyard, my cocoon isn't so hard. Shall I play you something softly for your dreams? And even though we started slowly, spinning, sleeping, crawling, lonely, now we're brighter than the stars, the moon, the sea. So come back home, I'll leave a light on for you and me, and I'll sing you a story about the sun.